This is example 12. Draw the sectional top view and front view of hexagonal pyramid of base side 30 mm and axis height 60 mm long, such that it is resting on its base on HP and one of its base edges is parallel to VP. The section plane cuts the solid horizontally and 45 mm away from base. So here you are having a hexagonal pyramid. You can observe here, and it is of base side 30 mm and axis side 60 mm. It is resting directly on the HP, and one of the base edges is parallel to VP. So this is a simple case of hexagonal pyramid directly standing with its base on HP. So the top view would be a hexagon and the front view will be a triangle. But the section we have to draw the sectional top view. Here it is clearly mentioned that we have to draw the sectional top view and also the front view. And about this section plane, it is given here that it is cutting the solid horizontally. This will mean that section plane is parallel to HP. This is very important point. Once again, the section plane cuts the solid horizontally. This will mean that section plane is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. And also the distance is given from the base 45 mm. So we will see now first how to imagine this. So on your screen right now, the horizontal pyramid, hexagonal pyramid is directly resting on HP. As you can see, I have made one edge parallel to VP also. This is the hexagonal pyramid which is directly resting on HP, and it in front view it will have some triangles, and in top view it will have hexagon. This is the section plane parallel to HP, but the distance is given 45 mm away from HP, so I will take some more distance. So let us say this is the 45 mm distance from the base of the section plane. So this is the section plane now which is cutting the hexagonal pyramid at a distance of 45 mm from the base, and it is also parallel to HP. So this is going to be our final front view in which you can see the cut portion, and this is going to be our final top view which will have one more smaller hexagon in section. So this is its isometric view as you can see here without planes now. So once again you can see here. So this will be our final front view and top view. Observe this. Now we will draw this in the drawing sheet.
As we have seen that the base edge is parallel to VP, I will draw the straight line first in this fashion, and then I will complete the hexagon, which will be our again the projection lines to get the front view. So this is your front view and top view. I'm going to mark points here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your apex. O dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, this is 5 dash and 6 dash. And as for the sectioning part, it is given that the section plane is parallel to HP. And it is the distance is given as 45 mm away from the base. So from base it is 45 mm. So I will cut this solid here. And this is your section plane. And as we have seen that this portion is removed after cutting, so I'll take now H pencil. I have to darken this portion which are visible to us from the front. This portion will get removed, and for the you can see this one dash edge is moving and touching the this section plane here, and first point is here, one line is here. So from there we'll take projections, we'll get one point here, and then from the second end, this is your second edge and the cutting plane and the second edge here. So you'll get one more point here, one more point here. Similarly, in this fashion, you'll get two more points here, here, one more point here. So you'll get a nice small hexagon here. The hexagon is, so there is the hexagon, and for the hatching part you need to hatch this small hexagon. And hence our sectional top view is also completed. We as per the dimensioning, we need to give the base dimension and the axis height. And for this question, the most important part is giving the distance of the section plane from the base, which is 45.
So this is the final solution of example number 2, that is hexagonal pyramid directly resting with its base on HP and one of the edges parallel to VP. As you can see, the section plane, horizontal section plane, which means it is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. So you will get in top view two hexagons, one in section, as you can see here.